Okay, it's Angelo here again with Angelo's Edge. Unboxing a Kershaw Decoy 4700. I bought it about a year ago. Here's the knife. The front flipper deep carry pocket clip with how do you say that, Warnscliffe edge blade. Says it's a hollow grind, but to me it looks more like a flat grind. I don't know, it don't quite make it all the way up, so maybe it is a hollow grind. It's a glass filled nylon with like a rubber texture, and then you got these tweezers. Let me put the blade away. It's a liner lock right there. Let's take a look. We'll run it through so people can see. Like I said, it's the Kershaw Decoy. There's the pocket clip, and then it's a hard liner to shut. But here's the tricky thing: you got tweezers. See, so you got some tweezers you could use to pull out anything you want. So there's the tweezers, and like I said, it's a front flipper. So, which I don't know, I guess it's kind of tough, I don't know, but that's what it's considered, a flat front flipper. And it's got a kind of an arch on it, and you can a finger choil right here. Bring your finger right up in there, and like it kind of reminds me of like a utility blade. It'd be a good utility knife, but the downside is it's only 3CR13 MOV, which is kind of not really the greatest. But I paid too much for this. I didn't know enough about knives. I paid like a year or two ago about, I'd hate to say it, but I thought it's 34. Actually like 20 something, like 22. Might have been on sale, I don't know. Maybe it probably wasn't much more than 20. Now on Amazon they're going for about $16 to $17, and that's not bad, but I'd hope to get this for about, I'd say $13, just because the steel isn't the greatest. But if you get it the right price, I'd say it's alright. Yeah, so it's about, let's take a measurement. They say the blade is 2.5, so 1, 2, half. Overall length is, they say 5.75 inches, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yeah, about 5 and 7 inches, 5.75 inches, 5.75, yeah, 5 and a quarter, 5 and 3/4. It's fairly, it's lighter. It's 3 ounces, but it's also a small knife. It's right hand carry, tip up only, and it is going for Amazon. I've seen $16.50 some cents. They give it, the people that review it on Amazon give it 3.5 stars out of 5. I think I'd give this 3 stars because it has some issues. The 2 negatives I think about is the steel quality. I would be cool if they just put like 8CR13. that would be, or even like Smith and Wesson puts, I think 7 CRs, but 3, man, that seems low. And the whole the what bothers me the most is sometimes this tweezers come out and poke you, and they don't. I don't know. It's just like, it's just not. I don't carry it because I just don't like the way it feels. Quite honestly, I don't like these tweezers. I mean, I should try it again and try, because it'd be nice to have some tweezers with you. I mean, it is surprisingly, for such a small knife, it has real good ergonomics. So it has a lot going for it. But I just, if they redid it, I would think I would, I'd just put better steel in it. And you could probably get, if you had a better steel, at least 8 CR, man, you'd be all right. This would be you'd probably bump that up to 4. It'd probably be a real, people I think would like carrying this because it's so small. Has like a utility blade with you. I mean, you could like slice stuff, carpet and stuff like that, and you'd be, yeah, I think if they revamped this, put another steel in it, and I think that'd make this a better knife. So that's my opinion. Well, let's go real quick. Here's a size comparison. Here's a Tenacious Spyderco. Wow, it's considerably smaller than a Tenacious. So you could see that. I didn't realize how small this knife was until you compare it with another knife. But the Tenacious is, I think, is a pretty decent sized carry. And here's the, let's slide all of them. Let's see, here is the Gerber flat iron. Considerably smaller than both of those. But that's what it is. If you like a small knife, kind of unique design, and for $16 to $17 with you throw in some tweezers, deep carry pocket clip, it's for you. All right, have a good day. Bye. Oh yeah, if you're still there, like the video, share the video, and subscribe to my channel. Have a good day. Bye.